friends! Are you ready for a ride on the magical train? Let's see who is on board today. We'll watch what the animals are doing, and then we'll all do the same action together. Ready? Peek inside! Oh wow! It's Hummy Bear! Look at her big twinkly eyes and sweet smile. She's waving! Can you wave with her? Can we wave back at Hummy? Hello, Hummy Bear! We're so silly. Who's next? Oh, those big gray ears give it away. It's Ellie Elephant. She's stomping her feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Can we stomp with Ellie? Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomping is so silly. Shh, I see a golden mane. It's a lion. He looks so strong and proud. Can you roar like a lion? Ready? Roar! Can we roar back at the lion? Roar! Our roars are so silly. Aw, look who's here. Such colorful feathers. It's a little bird singing her happy song. Can you flap your wings? Flap, flap, flap. Can we flap with the little bird? Flap, flap, flap. We look so silly flapping around. The train is full, and what fun we had! We have! Thank you for riding with us, friends. Cha-cha! Until next time, all aboard for more fun. Don't forget to follow for more adventures. We're the silliest friends of all.